Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Darwish bin Azhar. Matrix number B1125100767, and I will be showing you how to measure voltage and resistance using multimeter. So first, let's try measuring the voltage using the multimeter. So first, we take the multimeter and connect it to the probe, and now we check the voltage source. As we are currently using 12 volt for our circuit. Now we take the probe and make sure the probe is in the right spot as we are measuring voltage. So we put it in the voltage spot and turn the knob to voltage direct current, which has a straight line above it. And now we take the red and black probe and we put it in the spot where red should be on red and black should be on the below one, and we should get 12 volt as our measured and 12 volt in our simulation. So now let's measure our resistance. We have set the decay resistor box to 1k ohm, and now put the probe in the right place and change the knob to the ohm symbol, which means resistance. So now simply put the red probe and the black probe into the decay resistance box, and it will measure our resistor, which is 0.99 k ohm.
Now we are measuring current for resistance. Set up the multimeter to milliampere unit. Break the circuit and connect the multimeter in series. And the current is 11.05 milliampere, almost equal to 12 milliampere.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Safan bin Muhammad Rizwan. My metric number is B1125100689. I'm from group J. First, I will explain the step to measure a voltage. Then, I will explain the step to measure the decay resistor value. Okay, first, we need to set a multimeter to the voltage, and we take a positive and negative cable and put it at a resistor. So the multimeter will show a set voltage is 12. Okay, next step to measure a decayed resistor. First, we set a multimeter to a capacitance. Next, we take a negative and positive cable and put it to a decayed capacitor. And the multimeter will show a value is 10 micro.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Fahim Riza bin Maksud and my metric number is 112510754. And now I will explain to you guys how to measure resistor in LCR meter. First of all, we need to set up LCR meter in millihenry, and then put the wire in the inductance box between 17 milliampere in 10 mode, and we will get the value of resistor in millihenry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aidi Shamil bin Hamzah Nizam. My numeric is B1125100702. Today I will construct a simple circuit for resistor, inductor and capacitor to do a measurement voltage and current using multimeter in the multisim simulation. The negative resistor. After that, we double click and we run, and we got the 12 volt. Okay, after that we stop the running, and then to find the current we cut positive connection. The positive probe connect to the positive supply, and negative connect to the positive resistor. And then double click, run, and click the ampere, and we got the 12 milliampere. After that, click the multimeter in the same way, positive to resistor and negative to resistor to find the voltage. And we run, we got the 12 volt. Okay, to find the current, we cut the connection resistor to inductor, and we put the multimeter and positive to the outgoing resistor and negative to the incoming inductor, and we click the ampere and we run, and we got the 12 milliampere. That is for inductance circuit. The last circuit is quite different. We construct a circuit in parallel, and there is an additional switch. Then click the multimeter, positive in the resistor and negative to the end of resistor. Double click and run. When the switch open, the volt is 0, and then we close the switch. We got a 12 volt, which is voltage charged in a capacitor. When we open the switch, the voltage in our capacitor will discharge and flow slowly to the resistor. When we close the switch, where we got the 12 volt. That's all for me.